Bienvenue à bord du grand Reggae en révolution destination le monde entier. Now boarding all zones for Reggae Revolution.
Stop off in England just to catch a breather. Then we are go link up with the show and Gardner, and we step on the stage in Nigeria, then Kenya, and we mash the place in Ghana. Cause the gospel of the reach all the far.
Reggae revolutionaries, reggae revolutionaries, reggae revolutionaries, reggae revolutionaries.
Just know we left from Riyadh, Ghana, London, England. Show the music off is spread. Now we on a mission. Yeah, traveling on the road we gonna have Afghanistan. End up in Israel, pass it through the Holy Land. And down a Ghana, end up in the motherland. Kenya to Congo, all Ethiopia. Show them love the music in the Caribbean. Spreading the good news all over the island.
We just spread the gospel, the news. We say all around the world, to every city, every town, to every boy and every girl, to the white man, to the black man, politician or civilian. We just spread the good news about the conquering lion. To let them know King Jesus are the only way to go. Hey, we don't stop and we not giving in that this reggae revolution of soul we want. Airport, longer trip and social is the life we have in need. Into the nations, out in the streets, it's the gospel of salvation. Jesus Christ, we are free. Reggae revolution, I go rock the nation. Reggae revolution, say we on a mission. To the world,
all over the world.
We take it to the world.
All over the world. Vacation on night flight from Brasilia to California. Then we up another plane down to Australia. With a layover in a Honolulu. Hyena with your Hana and a jam with the crew. Cause foxes have their own and birds have their nests. But when we on the road, when I get no place for rest, it's just stress and distress, only for trials and tests. But when we on the stage, the people get blessed. Yeah, from the uptown to the downtown, we spread it all around. Sweet reggae music, we know them love the sound. You fly in or you plane or travel the pan ground. We have to spread the word in every kingdom. Highways and the byways and down in the slum. We have to spread the word in every kingdom.
Reggae revolutionaries, reggae revolutionaries, reggae revolutionaries, reggae revolution.
You tired yet? I know this tour is insane. You want more? Jump in the suitcase and get on the plane. We take our flight from Europe to Asia, not to South America. The only place that we now reach is the Antarctica. So many frequent flyer miles we could fly with NASA. Instead we go from Jamaica to Nassau, the Bahamas, and to Puerto Rico, Guatemala. Santos, a Costa Rica, la pura vida. The purest life that we live is a life following Christ. So we catch another flight and this time tomorrow night.
Révolution musicale, lyricale, d'une Cali. J'apporte l'évangile dans les îles en passant par Hawaï. Tout feu, tout flamme, prêchant sur scène, on parle reggae fire. Chaque soir un son, un chaud, faut que les taux d'âme montent pour sa gloire. Gardons ça en mémoire, Jésus revient bientôt, tout ça pour sa gloire. Oh Dieu très haut,